Here he goes. Oh my.
Hello.
Welcome to Tasty Makers.
Today, we're going to be taking this Philly cheesesteak recipe from Instagram.
Try to recreate it.
In our new series,
Tasting Instagram.
let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe down low.
Need the steak. Oh, and the camera.
Subscribe.
Don't forget the camera.
Got it. We're going to Salt Bae this thing. Salt Bae.
Cut it. Hey. Chris, what are you doing now?
I'm cutting an onion.
Are you cutting the onion?
I'm cutting the garlic. I'll do it.
That's
Salt
a
Bae.
really big clove of garlic.
Oh. I got a piece.
Do it just like Salt Bae does.
Chop those onions, Chris.
They call me Onion Bae.
There's so much onions on the floor. Oh. Yes.
Your head was bobbing.
The onions.
Onions.
Just another. Oh.
Don't forget to salt and pepper everything.
Again?
That was pepper.
Are you even putting anything in there?
What time is it, Chris?
Drop your meat.
Drop my meat.
Yeah, drop the meat.
You mean like?
Nick.
Oh.
The meat.
Oh,
The
you mean
meat.
You mean the steak?
The steak.
Oh,
The
I knew that.
steak.
I knew that.
Drop the meat.
I knew that.
Yeah, of course you did. Ready? That's a good thumbnail. Drop it. Oh, yes. Meat. Beef. Beef. I smell like beef.
I smell like beef.
What time is it?
Fry time.
Salt Bae that bread. Oh, slice. Whoa, that went at an angle.
Chris,
Yes?
can you tell me what goes in the cheese sauce now?
Oh, and the cheese sauce first is butter. We're gonna make a
What's going in now?
The flour goes in.
The flour,
Mix it together.
just like that. What is that called, Chris?
A roux. If you got lumps, you should go see a doctor.
Make sure you give yourself self-examinations for lumps at all times.
Then we got 4 cups of milk.
4 cups of milk.
Whole milk. Not that almond poop.
Not half the milk. Whole the milk. All the milk.
It's time to get cheesy. Dollar bills, y'all.
I almost missed. If you like cheese, comment down below. It's so Gouda.
So good.
Throw that cheese in there, Chris.
We got 24 slices of provolone.
24 slices?
24. How do you say that in Spain? 24. How do you say it in the Philippines? We can't afford that high. This is half a cup of Parmesan.
Clearly measured.
Half a cup. Half a cup. You guys remember that chef, Emeril Lagasse? God, BAM! Shh, he was asleep. You remember Gordon Ramsay?
Get ready.
Because now,
It's a cheese pour showdown. Cheese 400. Hey, Chris, did you just cut the cheese?
yes.
Alrighty. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, too much. Oh, yeah. Yes.
Oh.
Oh. Salt. Salt Bae. Nick, are you ready?
It ain't easy being cheesy.
1, 2, 3. Here he goes.
Oh my.
That was the greatest thing I've ever seen. And not for nothing, my mouth literally was watering.
Here he goes. Oh my.
Disgusting!
It's time to eat, and we'll let you know how it goes. There we go. Good job, Nick.
Guppy, gup, guppy, gup, gup. Gup, gup, gup.
Okay. We dive in. Well, first of all, that's freaking delicious. It's probably one of the best Philly cheese sandwiches I've had today. It's oniony. It's chewy because of the meat. Too much bread. Way too much bread. But look at the cheese fall off the. Oh, every time. What?
There isn't a video where you haven't dropped food.
You're right. I would say it was a success. Thank you for watching.
And thank you, Odalise, for always commenting down below. If you want a shout out in our next video, comment down below now.
And thank you, Salt Bae, for this inspiring,
Motivational
jaw-dropping
and mouth-watering
video so that we could copy it.
If you like this video, please hit the like button and hit the subscribe button in the center of the screen now. Do it. Do it right now.
Do it.
Do it.
Do it. And if you want to watch our other videos, click on the other side of the screen right now.
Next time you want to make Phillies, yo.
Make it tasty.
Deuces, yo.